Oakdale first graders. We're so excited for another year at Oakdale. I'm Miss Rinkenberg.
And I'm Miss Pollard.
And I'm Miss Harmon.
And I'm Miss Miller. Can't wait to see you on Zoom.
And we have just a few virtual expectations that we are going to expect you to follow this year. Under the SOAR behavior for scholarly behavior, we are going to want you to log in a few minutes before class. Next, we want you to bring your needed materials, use of headphones if you have them, and your computer is charged. Next, we need you to speak clearly. Look up when speaking to us. Next, follow instructions and display your real name when the camera is on. Next, under offer kindness, we're going to want you to focus on the speaker. We're going to want you to look into that iPad. Stay on topic during class discussions. We need you to raise your hand and use that feature right there at the bottom. Next, use the chat features appropriately.
Then, guys, we're going to act responsibly. We're going to be attentive. We're going to wait for your turn to speak or contribute to the activities. We're going to set daily goals. You're going to monitor your goals. We're going to complete and submit assignments on time. Then we're going to respect everybody. You're going to mute your microphone when you're not speaking. You're going to wear school-appropriate attire, no pajamas. We're going to have no sidebar conversations in the chat. Then you're going to find a quiet spot in your home to do your work. These are our SOAR Eagle virtual expectations.
All right, next we want to talk about our department overview. So this year it will look very, very different virtually. This year, when you log on to Zoom, you'll have all of us together on Zoom, along with all the kids as well.
All right, guys, and last but not least, we would love for you to join us on social media. Our Oakdale Elementary has a Facebook page. It's under Oakdale Elementary. We also have a first grade Oakdale page this year that everything will be shared on. It is under OES First Grade Family. Oakdale also has an Instagram. The handle is The Oak. And Miss Weston even has her own Instagram, and her handle is Principal Weston. Also be on the lookout on our First Grade Family Facebook page. Your child's homeroom teacher will have either Class Dojo information or Remind information. Thank you guys so much. We are so excited for another fun year of learning.